Little Mia and her big dream. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a girl named Mia. She was 8 years old and loved to dream. Mia's big dream was to become a doctor and help the sick people in her village. But there was one problem. Mia's family was very poor and could not afford to send her school. Mia's father worked hard in the fields and her mother did household work for other families members to earn money despite their struggles. They always encouraged Mia to study. Education is the key to a better future, her father would say. One day, a kind teacher named Mr. Brown visited Mia's village. He wanted to help children like Mia. Mr. Brown started a small school under a big tree. He brought books, pencil, and a blackboard. He told the village's children that they could learn for free. Mia was overjoyed. She ran to her parents and told them about the new school. Her parents were very happy and allowed her to attend. Every day, Mia woke up early, helped her mother in household work, and then ran to the school under the big tree. At school, Mr. Brown taught Mia and the other children how to read, write, and do math. Mia loved learning. She studied hard and always did her homework. She learned about science, history, and the different cultures. Mia's favorite subject was biology because it helped her understand how the human body works. Year passed and the Mia continued to her study diligently with the support of her parents and the guidance of Mr. Brown. She excelled in her studies. She earned a scholarship to attend a bigger school in the nearby town. Mia's dedication and hard work paid off. She graduated from high school with the top honors. She earned another scholarship to attend medical school. After many years of studying and training, Mia became a doctor. She returned to her village as a Dr. Mia. The villagers were proud of her. Dr. Mia opened a small clinic and treated the sick people in her village. She provided free medical care to those who could not afford it and taught the children the importance of education and good health. Mia's dream had come true. She proved that with determination, hard work, and the support of loved ones, anything is possible. Education had changed her life and the lives of many others in her village. And so the little girl with a big dream became a beacon of hope and inspiration for everyone around her.